anything on your body that hurts? And I said, yeah, I've had this pain in my wrist for nearly a decade, over a decade, and it's like a pain level of 5, with 0 being no pain, 10 being unbearable. So he goes, okay. He sits me down. He says, let me see your wrist. And he takes this thing out, and he goes, and he does like 3 minutes of it, right? And while he's doing it, I have the video. I'm hooting and hollering, oh, it hurts, oh. And he kept saying, the more pain and discomfort you have during the treatment, the better clinical outcome. So I was like, oh, okay. It was a 3-minute treatment. As soon as the thing turned off, I was like, oh, I'm so happy. He cleans off the gel, and I start moving my wrist around, trying to kind of elicit that pain. And it was gone. And I get in the car with my brother-in-law. I'm driving back to my house. I call my wife, and I said, I don't know. This must be some type of placebo, because I can't, that constant companion of pain for the last 10 years was gone. And I was just like, I don't understand it. So for the next 4 or 5 days, I had 0 pain. I went and I hit golf balls that afternoon, and typically I have to ice it for 20, 30 minutes afterwards, 10, 15 minutes. I took a bike ride that afternoon. I put air in my tires. No pain. I played on Sunday with my brother-in-law. First time in years that I played golf. And then Monday, Tuesday, I was a little more sore. Wednesday, I went in for a treatment. I went in for another treatment a week later. I was 90% better. I buy the device, and I bring it into my clinic to start working on my chemo, diabetic, and peripheral neuropathy patients. These are the worst of the worst patients. But by the way, I didn't have to treat my wrist for another year. And I could have done it weekly or monthly because I had it in my clinic. But I didn't need to. So I realized pretty quickly that if this device, this supersonic sound wave, was able to fix my wrist after 10 years, and I've been searching the world, really, like scouring, talking. I'd be at conferences and I'd say, where does pain come from? Because why do I have this pain in my wrist? And then they would give me an answer, and I'd go over and I'd talk to this other world-renowned neurosurgeon. I'd say, I still have pain in this wrist. Why? Do you have any idea why? And they would like give me these textbook things. And what I realized is that pain, or at least the majority of pain and discomfort, is coming from inflammation. Why? Because this device helps reduce inflammation. And inflammation is really the silent killer